See the effect of the lovely rustic color, girls? Okay. Okay, can you see it, darling, up close? I think it's quite soft and nice, right?
Yes.
I'm going to use like a darker brown, more like a chocolate brown, and draw the crease just above the socket line.
Also, Ojo, they're getting confused. Like,
So now again on the other side, if you missed this side, now you can see me doing it this look there. Again I'm drawing the C in a darker brown, okay? Again, I shall blend this with the pencil brush. So the more blended your makeup is, the more stunning the eyes will look, and the more patchy it is looking, it looks terrible. Okay, girls?
you always prefer doing your base first and then your.
Crease. So you will avoid the crease and the green brush. Avoid the depth, but otherwise you can use the same technique. Okay, so now we balance both sides and we did our final check showing everything is equal. Now I'm using the same light rustic color on the lower lash line for a more depth. Now again we take our friend the fluffy brush and last may blend everything, okay? So always remember this last step is about polish. It will not look so finished, it will look a little funny, look up. It might end up looking a little gothic, so you have to make sure that the finishing is very important. Always take the guideline of the eyebrow, where the line ends. If you see there is no sharp line, that sharp line will look scary, so you have to make it look very diffused. Okay? माल इस्तेमाल ऐसा जब शॉपिंग जाने वाले थे बाप रे कुछ तो मुझे मिल जाता फ्री में. I'm taking the lovely greeny gold, if you can see the color, ladies. And I hold my lid like this and it should be within the crease line. Again I'm doing the tapping technique only, so there is no. You can use a sheet mask if you want to, but I think I don't have that kind of time of using sheet mask and all that stuff. In a day I do 4 brides. You think if I'm going to sit and do sheet masks, I'll never finish my career, darling. And even actresses don't have that kind of patience. When you're working with actresses, there's no time for drama. Like if you use good products, you don't need all the sheet mask and all. What's a bewkoof banane ka dhanda? Who knows, I'll make one, don't worry. I've come up with my brushes. I might even come up with my shadows soon.
You will definitely.
Inshallah. Look up. So Aishwarya, you should come and be my model in the next class.
Of course, it's my pleasure.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Definitely.
Seriously, we should do that internal. People should get a chance also.
Oh, yes, yes. Thank you so much. Also,
Okay.
one take that you took to become a celebrity makeup artist, what would that be? Just like one day that you felt. So, ladies, this eyeshadow doesn't have a name. She picked it up from China a long time ago, so there's no name for it. You can go.
I love doing hair, makeup, styling, decorating the house. And when I used to do it as a child, I was never taken seriously. But when I came to my college, I started doing makeup for fashion shows. I used to model myself. So I did just makeup without even proper training. And that's when I got that push that, oh my God, if I can do such a good job without training, why don't I just go to America and, have it, all. And I think that's thanks to my parents. Again, lots of gratitude for sending me to America 25 years back. I'm totally, totally indebted and full of gratitude that today they gave me this lovely life that I have. And me and my academy, such wonderful colored lenses. This is a really lovely color which my model Shania is wearing. So this is what she's wearing. You can go online, you'll get it everywhere. And you get daily disposal. Ladies, when you're buying lenses, लगाने से आँख में जलन होनी शुरू करती है. So always buy daily disposal. These are very good lenses, darling. You will all love me and thank me. So thank you, Lens. Any guesses why am I doing that? Now see how pretty that on the lower lash line also looks. In the dusting powder, I'll write that. That's what the loose powder is.
Loose.
So luckily there is no fallout, there is no problem at all. Now finally I shall dust the under eye once more to brighten the under eye. I cannot do without the cream blush. Cream blush just make this is by Recode, that's a brand. And it's a lovely greyish, blue, purplish undertone if you can see this. Can you see this color, girls?
Yes.
So I'm using this lovely Recode pencil into the waterline. Just for, this is for the upper lash line. Close. So if you see me, I'm going to use this in the inner waterline as well. Why do I do this? Any guesses, girls, in the inner waterline? Can you see one eye and the other eye? What a big difference the black pencil has made. So the Recode pencil is very jet black if you see. The consistency is really nice. It's a lovely kajal pencil which is very smooth and it's waterproof, darling. Okay? You can use it in place of eyeliner also. Now watch the ear also, I'm using it. Little niche. So I'm doing it very gently in the inner water because the eyes will start watering or the lenses will pop out. So always do this pencil before sticking lashes. Recode has also given me some lovely makeup removing wipes for my academy always, which takes care of any kind of makeup stains, whatever it may be. Can you remove this? My nails are all broken, darling. I've removed my nails because I have a bad cough and cold. So girls, when you're doing makeup, always keep these kind of wipes with you handy because if you see my hand is full of product. So I need to remove this ASAP. So if you see within a second, everything is out. So imagine how good it is for your hand. It will be as good for your face as well. Plus, it's very nice to clean your brushes. So if you see me, once I finish my various colors which shine, shimmer, sparkle, darling. So please go grab yours right now. And the color number is, I can't understand what the color number is, but it's a very nude pencil, okay? It's like a very lovely nude pencil by Miss and Mrs. And I'm going to wear another thicker lip crayon. Smell. So because the eyes are nice and overpowering, I like the lips looking very soft and minimal. Sorry. Okay, so like a very soft nudie outline in any brand you can do. But this is like Miss and Mrs. and this is also by Miss and Mrs. which is like a lip crayon. It's a beautiful nudie peach color, and I love this. See, the color is really pretty. My favorite. See me, a lot of people ask me what are you wearing. I like these colors. They look very fresh. Give me a lip brush. The lip brush as well. And slightly do it to the center. And give me the liquid lip gloss. Nude lipstick, like a very nude lip pencil. And what brand is this? It is Miss and Mrs. Okay. Wait, I'll show you. Go mad.